In problem number 71 of the 4.2 homework, you need to print out the page shown. And in part A, they ask you to find the sine of 5 radians. Now, before you do that problem, you want to go to the mode button on your calculator and make sure you're in radian mode. To find the sine of 5, they're really saying you've gone 5 pieces of cake or pie into the circle. So if we look at our circle here and go 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3, 4, all the way to 5, then we're sitting right down here. What you'll need to do is to take your ruler and lay it horizontally and draw a thin pencil line until you intersect the y-axis. Because by saying that I have 5 radians, I'm placing a line, radius line, right there. And I have just gone around like that. And whenever I make that kind of an angle, I can draw from this spot right here another line straight up to the x-axis. And this triangle has a height right here, which is your sine value, and that is the sine of 5. And this value right here is going to be the cosine of 5 radians. And you can read them both right off of what you've got on the graph. So if I estimate this graph right here, that pretty much comes close to 0.9, but I want you to notice that that 0.9 is negative, and that's why the answer is negative 0.9. To do the cosine of this particular one, you'd read it out to here, and it would be about 0.3, but they didn't ask for the cosine, but on part B they did. The cosine of 2 on part B means you're going to go out 2 radians, 1 to here, 1 to here, make a dot. From that dot, draw straight down to your x-axis, and when you do, you'll end up really close to negative 0.4. Now this is going to be the height of a triangle where the radius is your hypotenuse. And so this is going to be the sine of 2, and this value right here is going to be the cosine of 2. So you look at your x-axis and see where you end up, which is just beyond 0.4. So I would say that the cosine of 2 is going to be pretty close to negative 0.4, or maybe you could even say 0.41. And that's how you do problem number 71, and it's also how you do problem number 72. Good luck on the rest of your homework, and we'll see you next class.